In this video we are going to do smooth zoom, which looks like this.
Yeah.
Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So I'm back with another cute cut video, which is really great. So some people call it smooth zoom, some people call it the same KOLDER zoom, and some people call it the After Effects or Final Cut Pro glitch zoom, or maybe RGB zoom. So that's really great, but you do not know how to do this. You need a computer, but not for this video, for those. But now we're gonna do this on the phone. I showed it in a previous video, but now I realized that there should be a separate video on how to do this transition. It looks great, I know that, but not as the computer one, because that is really great. It has some glitch and RGB effect, which is good, but this is also good, better than nothing. So if you like this video, follow me on Instagram, which is Aftab_Afridi, and I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.